Hello everyone. Essential Blocks now offers a dedicated image gallery block that lets you easily add filters and search for images on your WordPress website. Let's see how to configure it. Make sure you have installed and activated the Essential Blocks free version. And get Pro for premium gallery layouts. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to the Essential Blocks plugin. Then, go to the Blocks tab. Toggle to enable the Filterable gallery block from the list. Now you are ready to design a filterable image gallery. Open a page or post. From the editor, click on the plus icon where you want to add the filterable gallery block. Search for the Essential Blocks filterable gallery block and select it from the results. Next, hit the Choose button. Pick from versatile template options for the filterable gallery by clicking one. To add images to the gallery, go to the Gallery Items section from the General tab in the right side panel. Upload the images one by one. Add the image's caption and description with each. Let's get to the General section and update the layout from the drop-down. You can update presets from here. Set the image size as well. If needed, adjust the columns in the image gap in pixels. Toggle to turn off the display for captions. You can also do this for the description display, lightbox and custom link. Set a lightbox icon from the icon library. In the Filter section, toggle to enable filter, search bar and more. Name each filters, drag and rearrange their position, etc. Under the default selected filter dropdown, you can find all the filters including the newly added ones. Assign the created filters to your image gallery items. Toggle the Load More button option to enable it. Here, you can also adjust the number of images per page and button text. From the Style tab, adjust the image height and width. Set the border style, color, width, radius and other values for hover. In the Action Styles section, you can modify the color and background colors as well. Adjust the icon width and size. You also have content styles, caption styles, description styles, search, and filter styling, typography and much more. In the Load More button section, select the typography, text hover color, background color and others. From the Advanced tab, you can customize advanced settings for margin, padding, custom CSS, etc. Click on the Publish button when you are finished. Let's see what the filterable gallery looks like on our website. As you can see, it is visible according to our selected settings and customizations. This is how easily you can create a filterable gallery on WordPress websites using Essential Blocks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Wishing you a super smooth web creation journey.